Meet Bleach Pharma, a pharmacy distributor serving 700 medical stores across an Indian state. Like many small businesses, they struggle with distribution inefficiencies. They distribute over 5,000 drugs, changing prices every month to 700 medical stores. Keeping up is a nightmare. To process orders, Bleach Pharma WhatsApps a massive spreadsheet listing all the drugs with their latest prices to all 700 stores. Stores must manually search, update quantities, and send it back. Every month, 700 spreadsheets flood in via WhatsApp. Bleach Pharma manually merges them into an execution sheet, a time-consuming and error-prone process. They want to expand, but their outdated system makes scaling impossible. This isn't just their struggle. 200 million small businesses worldwide face similar inefficiencies. They're willing to pay $75 a month for a smarter solution. Meet Neome, a simple chat-based store built for businesses like Bleach Pharma. Let's see how Neome transforms their business. You can explore this demo yourself using the live demo button. Setup of pharmacy store includes Neome Drive. Manages an enterprise folder on the owner's laptop, storing data in Excel. Drug Master, the pharmacy's product catalog. Neome Drive setup is as simple as Google Drive. Under Bleach Pharma, we see master and data files, including the latest order file in Excel and JSON formats. The data files are arranged in chronological order. JSON allows integration with external software systems like accounting software. The owner's interface manages the drug catalog. Let's add a new medicine. Name: Wegovy. Ingredient: semaglutide. MRP: 1,000. Discount: 5%. Brand: Novo Nordisk. Not there. Let us add. Brand: Novo Nordisk. Dose: 5 milligrams. Pack: 10 tablets. Additional masters, brand, dose, and pack support the Drug Master. This pharmacy distributor receives orders via call center, Deeplink, WhatsApp, email. Let's explore each of these channels in the demo coming up. Call center agents receives order over phone. They go to order book and add order. Search and pick Wegovy. Pick other medicines. Set quantities. Set name and address. Check the summary tab and hit send. Create a deep link for add order and send it to customers. A deep link lets customers reorder quickly. Customers can open the link and bookmark it for future orders. Pick Wegovy. Pick other items, update quantities. Update name and details. Check the summary tab and hit send. You can see the order received from the public Deeplink. Let's go to WhatsApp and send repeat last order. Neome repeated the last order from this customer and sends a confirmation link. Customer verifies adds an extra item and confirms. Check the Summary tab and hit Send. Let's verify that the order is updated for the owner. Similar to WhatsApp, another customer emails Repeat last order. Neome autofills and sends the confirmation link. Customer verifies, adds an extra item, and confirms. Check the Summary tab and hit Send. Let us verify that the order is updated for the owner. Owner opens the order book Excel file in Neome Drive. New orders have appeared. Dispatches both WhatsApp and email orders. As you can see on the owner's screen, the order message bubbles have updated. Let's check on WhatsApp. The customer has received an update with the order link. Customer navigates the order link to verify the order status and writes a comment. Who is the transporter? Owner replies in the comments, JTC Transports. You will receive in 3 days. Let's check on email. The customer has received an update with the order link. Let's navigate the order link to verify the order status. Jewelry Store here displays product images within the catalog. Neome supports several such configurable store layouts. Why this matters? For Pharmacy Distributor, customers can directly use WhatsApp or email, while owner can use spreadsheets, no learning curve, low-cost subscription. Orders are received through multiple channels. Price updates and order status updates are automated. Pharmacy Distributor can double his business, automate more tasks, and leverage AI and analytics as the enterprise evolves. For Neome, the entire app was built within Neome's platform. A trained community developer can build this app in 30 minutes. You can also build and run this app. Just follow the Build Demo button. 200 million small enterprises globally represent a huge market. Neome is launching thousands of business app templates to cover large surface area. Neome would own first community-powered business app store for enterprise automation. Thanks for your time. Check out the other demos as well.